Ladies and gentlemen, here are the top 20 items that every person should have in their automobile. Starting with the first item. This is a Shure Max 12 moving packing blanket. I've got a number of those blankets out right now. Your vehicle break down, it's cold outside, you've got a blanket that you can keep your family warm. The next item is an Apple MFI certified 5-pack iPhone charger cable. The next item is a AILKIN 30-watt car charger. Great item. The next item is a flashlight, G700 tactical flashlight, military grade. Next item is a hammer, Dad's hammer. That hammer is engraved. Next item, a Gerber gear needle nose plier with a host of different attachments. Next item is Stanley TR-45 light duty staple gun. No telling what you would need while you're out on the road if your vehicle breaks down and you need to staple something together. Next item is a tape measure. There's always a need for a tape measure. The next item is a THIKPO jumper cable, heavy duty. Next item, Stanley J5C09 portable power station jump starter. This model is just below the one that is available now. The 1000 is available, but it is a unique item with USB ports and a host of other great features. Next item is a 160-piece first aid kit. Next item, a emergency survival shelter tent for 2. Something happens out there on the road, you need to be protected. 2 people can get inside this tent and be protected. Next item is a CRAFTSMAN warning triangle DOT approved item. Great for placing behind your vehicle if your vehicle breaks down on the road. Next one is one of my favorites, the Black & Decker Flex Car Vacuum with 2 attachments, easy cleaning. Great item, help to keep the car clean. The next item is the Gas Can Garage Boss 2-gallon. Next item is a heavy duty silver duct tape. There's always a need for duct tape. Next item, TR Industrial Multi-Purpose Cable Ties, 18-inch. And then the other item that I really like is the Amazon microfiber cleaning cloths. This is a pack of 24, 12 by 16 inches, blue, white, and yellow. The next item that everyone should have in their vehicle as well is a Panasonic portable AM/FM radio, battery operated, 45-star rating, and I might add 90 to 95% of these items are rated at either 45 stars on Amazon, and many people purchase these items. The next item is a highly rated Amazon Choice umbrella, windproof, automatic umbrella. Great item. All right, the next item is the Touring Big Red Jack. Allow us to save a lot of time, get out, jack the vehicle up, change your flat tire, get that car back down on the ground, and you are ready to go. Again, Touring Big Red Jack, outstanding device. The bonus item is the Rescue Me. This particular item, you can put it on a keychain to keep it available with you. Not only that, but it'll allow you to cut the seatbelt in the event that the vehicle's upside down, about to enter water, etc. Great item. And then finally, it will allow you to break the lower part of your side window. We're demonstrating on the back window. However, if you would again want to use the side window, you press that black piece all the way down, and then after it's pressed all the way down, it will release and then pop that window to where you can kick the window out. Great item to have, again, called Rescue Me. All right, I hope that you all really like this particular video. These items are items that every person should have in their vehicle. I have each one of these items, as you can see, in my vehicle. In fact, I keep all of these items in a box. And I might also add that I am an affiliate with Amazon, where all of these items are available. And in the description, there's also a link for each one of these items that we went over today. Again, hope you like these items. Thank you very much for viewing.